All right. Nobody's on yet. Cool, but we gonna go over this trade in a few moments. All right. Look at this beauty. First things first, I always go over my line chart. I knew that this was a significant area in the market. It actually wicked. When I'm looking for trade setups, what I'll be looking for. Line chart in, frackles on the retest area. Support. We have resistance, support, 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 resistance. Always important for me. We have a big bull candle coming down. We are in profit. I didn't actually um actually closed out this trade because it was taking too long. I saw that wick and I just closed out. But I forgot to put this on to forgot to put this on. The beautiful trade setup. Could possibly some type of head and shoulder type deal. It could possibly go beyond this floor. Matter of fact, let's see. This is up pretty high. Let's go on the daily. I would just make that trade go there because it pushing back down. Possibility of pushing back down, but I do see an area right here. So if it does break this floor, then we'll go on H. Showing bear, bear, bear. Just the way the market looked, it stopped making high highs and start doing this stuff like that. When I see things like that, it's like it's screaming for me to get in. So if it breaks this floor, retest it, then we could take it back to here. We'll take it back down here. If it breaks the floor and retests it. Yeah, I could see this is a good, this is a decent trade setup. I can see this dropping down there. And that's just CAD Chef. I think CAD JPY is doing the same thing. If I'm not mistaken. Let's go to CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Let's get that in. Let's see if CAD JPY is doing the same thing. Actually, it should be because I mean it's Canada. This should be the same basic trade setup. We have that resistance right there. Why did I use that? Remember, support and resistance is both. I mean, this the sharp lines are both acting as support and resistance. Sharp on the resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, support. All right. Easy, self-explanatory. Here's the pullback. Here's the area which you made the W and pull back to. And the way this is looking, that is an area of interest. I saw. Let's go back. Support, resistance, support, resistance. Simple. So with this trade, I was trying to wait on it, but it just didn't. it would have been like right here, and that would have been take profit one, that pullback area. But if it breaks and retests, then TP2. Now, if it keeps going, then we're looking for something out there. But right now, we're not trying to swing JPY right now. I see. Well, let me go to JPY's index. JPY. Just to see. Is that JP? Oh, I'm tripping. It's GX. Where is it? So if we go to the GXY, still down, right? Did we make on the daily? We did make some moves. We have 2 fractals on there in the daily. Do we have a week? We have a weekly fractal now. So this is due for a pullback. Needs to fill in that gap, of course, but also not the last major area. So if this is the end of the drop and we're at the pullback, which orders are being accumulated for the buyers, which is the JPY's bank, then we should see a nice pullback right here. If we see this move happen on JPY, then Mr. Cash Chef will be dropping. It almost made a head and shoulders. I thought this was going to possibly drop. But when they made that fractal, it flew up, made a W, flew up. So, but if that JPY move happens, then we'll be looking for other areas of interest. This will definitely hit take TP1, but this will be a swing trade down if this JPY move flies up on the weekly and retests this area. All JPYs would go dropping, like you probably back down to this support right here. In my almost 2 years experience of trading, when you look at the dollar index, when you look at index pairs in general, and they're doing something like this, like see how I marked up this, we have fractals in this. I mean, it's a reversal. So if it comes pulling back all the way up here for the next couple of weeks, all JPY pairs does not matter. They're all going to dump, especially if it violently. We have bulls right here, but they already made the bull move, bull pressure already. So this might pull back right here. And from here, we don't know what's going to happen because they already broke this trend line thing already a while back. And it retested it and it dropped. So not quite sure what this is going to do. But if it pulls back, like I said, if it pulls back there, then CAD JPY is coming back down to support. Doesn't matter how strong Canada is. That's why I said in my years of trading, and sitting looking at the DXY violently go somewhere, all the pairs usually go with it. If JPY has some news, and you've seen before, if there's news for JPY, if there's news for the dollar or anything to that sort, and it violently starts moving in one direction, all of the trades that are against that pair follow suit. Let's go to Euro New Zealand real quick because I had this trade set up right here. It's actually doing what I think it's going to do. So that's the H4. Nice bullish pressure on the H4 off this support. Euro has been very, very, very weak lately. But we did gain some support right here. Let's see where the fractal is definitely right there. So there is a support. The weekly has not showed up right there, but we have a daily, which means we do have a trade. So we're in profit. I put the stops above this high because I don't know if it's going to take out this last low on the daily. Is that a daily low? Oh, it was that one because it made a fractal right there. So I just took it to right there. We're in deep profit right now. Yep. GBP odd hit my stop loss, but I see why I had to do this. I did all these markups to see it's still channeling, trying to find a nice look. I mean, it made a nice little floor right here after they hit my stop loss, but not quite ready. Came back, broke. Did it break this retest? I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with Giad unless it breaks out of one of these channels. So I'm not gonna fool with Giad right now. We're actually currently in this gold. I took the gold buy and I'm in the gold sell. So as you can see, gold is definitely in this channel. They keep getting to this channel. I think I took a sale right here, but I didn't take it all the way down. I took maybe half this candle and then I got out. No need to be greedy. I took this buy too, but I got it to, it was so small. I need to start taking them more. So this wick right here. So let's see if it comes all the way back up to 18 or I don't know. This is a H1, honestly. I got that level off the H1. See? Um I'm in the buy right now. We're all in the buy, hopefully. We called it out on the chat. It was a little bit below there. And we were taking it that high. We're in profit right now. Actually, I didn't even we actually got in down here. I'm looking at my phone right now. We're in down there. So we're in some nice profit. I can see this probably pulling back to 18. I don't know if it'll go any further than that because there is an hour area right there. This is an hour. But we already know the markets likes to fill in these moves. So let's just see what happens. That's what we got on gold. What was the DXY looking at? For gold to be pulling back up, DXY. Well, you know, I said it yesterday that the DXY was going to break out of this, and it did. Definitely broke out of here. So bullish movement for the DXY. So that's why gold dropped like that. As you know, gold has a mind of its own. It don't have to do everything the DXY does, but while the DXY is retracing like this good time to scalp some golds. Let's see, EuroCAD, we are up. I saw this. I actually we're swinging this. Oh shoot. Yeah. We're swinging Euro CAD off of the daily. It's really this is a nice pullback area because we had a frackle. But see, we had frackles on both sides, which was concerning me because it just keeps sitting down there consolidating. But we're actually taking it to here. We're still in profit. Congratulations if you took it. We got a few trades in, a few swings. Be patient. Yeah, the market was pretty decent this week. Last week and the last 2 weeks um wasn't a lot going on, but yeah, wasn't a lot going on in the market. That we should see in a couple of days some bullish behavior on the higher time frame instead of these lower time frames. Because right now it just looks like it keeps retesting that line, which is good. The line is a strong line. But you know, the more retested, the more weaker it gets. So we don't want to break out of this. Yeah. Even though there's weekly frackle right here because of the weekly support. We're gonna see what happens from here. But yeah, that's a good day today. Shib New. Let's talk about Shib New one real quick. Shib New flew to the moon, man. Anybody that like I before people were even talking about Shib New, I had it down here. I had a whole bunch of buys down here. I should have loaded up. I didn't know it was gonna explode so quick. I knew it was gonna explode, but I didn't know it was gonna explode so quick. Man, this is making millionaires. I didn't think about it. It's nowhere near a dollar. The dollar mark is right here. I mean, oh, that ain't even a dollar mark. Sheesh. Where is it? Oh my God, it ain't nowhere near it. By the time this reach a penny, we'll be all millionaires if anyone bought at the bottom. Man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What did XR? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They make their move. It's still ranging. XRP is still ranging. I don't like that range, but yeah, that's all I got. It's a market recap. Market was pretty good today. As you can see, I'm over here miming some SHIB news where how many SHIB news I got mimed today. That's all my SHIB news I'm miming. I got 2,404. That's in one day. I advise you to start learning how to mine so you can make you some money, easy money. But I will see you on the next one. Peace.